We are living in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries and reshaping our world. But here's the thing about AI, it needs us. It needs human intelligence to learn, adapt, and grow. AI systems are powered by algorithms, complex mathematical models that enable them to process information and make decisions. But these algorithms need to be trained on massive amounts of data, and that's where you come in. By training AI, you're essentially teaching these systems how to think, how to understand the nuances of human language, and how to make sense of the world around us. It's a critical role, and it's one that's in high demand. This demand has given rise to a new breed of online platforms that connect individuals with AI training opportunities. These platforms offer a way for anyone with an internet connection to earn money by helping to shape the future of AI. The concept of getting paid to train AI might sound futuristic, but it's a reality today. Platforms like Outlier.ai and Toloka are leading the way, providing a bridge between human expertise and the ever-evolving world of AI. These platforms offer a variety of tasks that require human judgment, intuition, and understanding. From image recognition to natural language processing, your skills can help refine and improve AI algorithms across a range of applications. The beauty of this new frontier is its accessibility. You don't need a PhD in computer science to participate. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or a professional looking for side income, AI training offers a flexible and rewarding way to put your skills to use. So, how does it work? Let's delve into the world of Outlier.ai to understand the mechanics of getting paid to train AI. Outlier.ai is one of the leading platforms connecting individuals with AI training opportunities. It acts as a marketplace, bringing together companies developing AI technologies with a global community of contributors eager to lend their expertise. Companies upload tasks to the Outlier.ai platform, outlining the specific type of data they need annotated, categorized, or analyzed. Contributors, like you and me, can then browse these tasks and choose the ones that align with their interests and skills. Outlier.ai prides itself on providing clear instructions and guidelines for each task, ensuring that contributors understand exactly what's expected of them. This clarity is crucial for maintaining data quality and ensuring that AI algorithms are trained on accurate and reliable information. Section 4. Inside Outlier.ai, Tasks and Projects. The tasks on Outlier.ai are as diverse as the field of AI itself. You might find yourself labeling images for a self-driving car algorithm, transcribing audio clips to improve speech recognition software, or even writing creative content to train chatbot responses. One of the most common tasks involves rating or ranking. For example, you might be asked to rate the relevance of search engine results or assess the sentiment expressed in a series of tweets. These tasks help AI systems understand human preferences and make more accurate predictions. Another common task is data annotation, which involves adding tags or labels to images, videos, or text. For instance, you might be asked to identify objects in a photograph, such as cars, pedestrians, or traffic signs. This annotated data is then used to train AI models for tasks like image recognition and object detection. Outlier.ai also offers opportunities for contributors to participate in larger projects that involve multiple tasks and require a deeper level of engagement. These projects often focus on specific industries, such as healthcare, finance, or e-commerce. Section 5. The skills you need to succeed. The great thing about AI training is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to excel. In fact, many tasks value general knowledge, common sense, and attention to detail more than advanced technical skills. That being said, there are certain skills that can give you an edge in the world of AI training. Strong language proficiency is essential, as many tasks involve reading, writing, or translating text. A keen eye for detail is also crucial, as even small errors in annotation or categorization can impact the accuracy of AI algorithms. Critical thinking skills are also highly valued. AI training often involves making judgment calls and interpreting ambiguous information. Being able to think critically and provide nuanced responses is essential for training robust and reliable AI systems. Section 6. Joining the ranks, the application process. Getting started with Outlier.ai is a straightforward process. Head over to their website and create a free account. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself and your skills. Once your account is set up, you can browse the available tasks and choose the ones that pique your interest. Before you can start working on tasks, you'll likely need to complete a short qualification test. This test is designed to assess your understanding of the task guidelines and your ability to provide accurate and consistent responses. Once you've passed the qualification test, you're ready to start earning. Outlier.ai typically pays contributors on a per-task basis, with rates varying depending on the complexity and time commitment required. Payments are usually processed through secure online payment platforms.